This week's housing market news is that where we typically see a drop in inventory this time of year, this week we have seen a 10% increase in inventory nationwide. And that means that buyers could be in a sweet spot where they have more choices and less competition, which means more leverage. It also means that prices will probably stay relatively level for the time being. Now, don't get me wrong, it's still a seller's market. There's still fewer homes than ready, willing, and able buyers. But in today's market, we have more of a fair balance between buyers and sellers' leverage. So we find that sellers may still be making small concessions, such as temporary buy downs, in order to keep a deal moving forward in an economy where buyers are already stretched thin. And now, because of affordability being at an all time low, many buyers are waiting for something in the market to change. Now, I understand this uncertainty completely, but with the number of homes for sale increased by 10% lately in the early fall, next year's home prices are very unlikely to be this low again. Everybody who is waiting for rates to drop will re enter the market at the same time, ironically driving up prices and giving you more competition for the same homes. So, my advice to you is if you can buy now, you should. At a very conservative 5% appreciation over 2 years, a $500,000 house will be a $551,000 house. And you will not only have missed out on gaining that $51,000 in equity, you'll have to pay that much more. In today's market, you may even be able to get the seller to pay for a temporary rate buy down. Now, listen, the monthly payment on today's prices with today's rates versus 2 years from now's prices and rates, if rates go down 1% and prices go up 5% a year, is a wash. It's the same monthly payment. But in the first scenario, you have 51,000 more in equity, plus you get the tax write-off for the interest that you pay on your mortgage. And if the rates go down, you can refi for an even lower monthly payment. A refi is only about $5,000 as compared to the tens of $1,000s in lost equity, as well as the tens of thousands higher sticker price you'll be paying for waiting. Waiting is the most expensive thing that you can do. If you want to own a home, don't wait. Message me to talk about your options or sign up for my free in-person class September 19th and 20th at the Ferndale Library. Had to plug that. I'll put the link in the caption. I would love to help you start investing in your own wealth instead of your landlord's. So call me or message me. I'll talk to you soon.